Hi guys, welcome back to reviews, fixes and packs. And what I've got for you today is, as I've mentioned in my previous video, of the Noco gb50 that I was going to order at gb50. So this is the gb50, the bigger version, the bigger brother version of this is the gb150. In fact, the gb150, if you haven't seen the video, I recommend you have a look at it. That is the biggest out of the range, or the most powerful booster jump starter out of the whole Noco range. Anyway, this is, I wouldn't say the smallest brother, but definitely within the middle. This is really the mid-range version of the jump boost. Now, just having a quick look, I'll open up the package. As you can see, it's a 12 volt 1500 amp booster. Now, it does tell you here, as you can see, it will start, or it will work on vehicles which are gas powered or petrol powered. In the UK we say petrol, 7 litre up to 7 litre, or a diesel vehicle that is or has a capacity of 4.5 litres. Anyway, let's get to it. So it comes neatly packaged, as you can see. I think this is the retail hanging part section to it. So here it is. Within it, what you've got is, obviously, you've got the manual, user manual. It tells you about the 1-year warranty that comes with it. There's only a few sections you need. It's predominantly in various different languages, but a couple of pages is really what the user manual requirements are. But anyway, you get a charging cable, USB charging cable, and it's oh, can't zoom in into that. There you go. As you can see, I think that's a USB-C. Same sort of connection that is used on many of the Android phones. So that's your charging cable. It's taken me 6 hours to charge this, by the way. So when I first purchased it, it was only charged to 1 bar, which is 25% charge, and then obviously I've left it on for about 6 hours, I would imagine. Anyway, some very durable, high capacity clips. Now, if I can zoom into these, you will see that, I mean, from what I'm aware, these are very good quality cables, to be honest. Now, it does mention the rating on here, and oh, there it is. I would have been correct, because I was going to say 600 volts. So there you go. This is able to handle 600 volts. So very, very good quality cables. 600 volts. It says 600 volts at 200 degrees Celsius. Anything else? No. Okay, but anyway, very good quality cables. As you can see, it's the teeth are also made up of copper. Anyway, these are slimmer compared to, or these cables are slimmer. Sorry, I snapped that. I have tried it out already. These are slimmer compared to the gb150 clips. You can charge this through your vehicle, so you can connect. You've got this, it goes into a cigarette lighter, so you got this connector that goes into cigarette lighter, USB connector. There you go. And then obviously you can connect this cable into that, and then you can actually charge this device. And here comes the device. You can charge the device using a USB connection to your cigarette lighter. Now, this weighs just over 1 kilogram. It's considerably smaller and lighter than the gb150. However, for your everyday usage, for your average consumer, I believe this is the most handy of them all, purely because it's got decent capacity. It'll jumpstart from a full charge. So this is fully charged. You can see the green light. When I purchased it, it was just on that bar. So to get it to full charge, take me 6 hours. But once it's fully charged, you can store this away and it'll keep its capacity for about a year. That's one of the main benefits of having this device, and hence one of the reasons why I bought it. And not only that, I've tried the bigger brother on a vehicle, and I tell you one thing, compared to using another vehicle to jumpstart a non-starting vehicle, what these do is just save you a lot of hassle. You know, just get it out, whip it on, and boom, that's it, start straight away. And hence the reason why I got a more portable version. This, as you can see, I can just loiter around, not a problem. Not only that, you have got, this is your charging input. So to charge it, you'll put your USB connection into there, and then if you want to charge your phone or anything, you connect it there and you can charge your other devices. So very handy on the go. This part will go into this section here, so it says 12 volt out. And if you were to use it on your vehicle, what you'll do is connect this onto here, connect the positive to the positive on your battery, negative to the negative on your battery, and once you've done that, turn it on, and what you'll see is this will flash. So it'll flash along the colors, so it'll continue to flash and keep going like that. That tells you it's ready. This light here will be solid, and that's when you can just go to your car, put your key into the ignition or the start button and start the vehicle. And what I can tell you is it will start straight away. Now, if your vehicle, however, if this does not flash, that means your vehicle or the battery on your vehicle is below 2 volts. In which case, what you need to do is press this exclamation mark, and I'll explain why that exists. Hold that for about 3 seconds and it'll do that. Now what this is telling you is it's bypassing all the safety mechanisms within this device, and it'll pump out the full 1500 amps to get a totally or almost totally dead battery in your vehicle to get your vehicle started. So it'll pump out maximum amperage to get your vehicle started. Now I have had to use this function, but I'm quite confident it would work, given that it works very well on its normal settings. Anyway, take it off. Now what I would have to say to you, why is that exclamation mark there? The exclamation mark is because it, as I've already mentioned, it bypasses all the safety mechanisms. When it's on this normal mechanism, so normal function, which is as it is now, and you just connect the leads, positive to positive, negative to negative, all the safety devices are active. So if you accidentally put the positive to the negative and negative to the positive, this system will prevent damage to your vehicle, to this booster pack, or your motor vehicle battery. If you accidentally connect these two together, creating a short circuit, this will detect the short and prevent any further damage, or prevent any damage whatsoever. So basically it's a very safe system, or very safe booster to use, minimizing all the risks associated with it, unless you use that function there. That's when the safety mechanisms are inactive, and then the onus is on you to make sure you do everything correctly. Anyway, like I say, it is meant to be a quick review. I've gone slightly over the 5 minutes I intended to have this video running for, but what I can say to you is, out of a lot of the jump starts I've used previously, Noco Boost, it was recommended to me, and I've got to say, is it a good device? By far, it is probably the best booster device I have come across. Anyway guys, that's my opinion on this. There's the package again. Now, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Any comments, put it into the comment section, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.